Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you joined me and my girlfriend Lucy.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
We are on our way to Burnham because we want
hungry.
We want the breakfast wraps they do there, and also because the roads are nice and the weather's nice.
And what's that?
Yeah, and we eat too much, but you know, that's another one. And also I want to look at bikes, because who doesn't want to look at motorbikes? You want to look at bikes too, right? Totally.
Sure.
Alright, that works. Right, so yeah, we actually have tried to do this video once before, but we sort of, when we got there was like no one there, so I sort of didn't bother.
We have arrived. She's munching. Looks like everyone's getting ready to leave. Got the bikes here, and the modders down there.
So hopefully today we get a bit of a better turnout. But yeah, so roll the random clips. Oh, the old modders over there. But yeah, roll the random clips of footage and talk to you all when we get there.
Very good at the moment. Can't lie. Oh, fucking hell.
Whether they're actually going to burn. Yeah, there's loads. Good, we're doing this at the right time then. Can't lie. I'm thinking of work.
You can't get away.
At this point we've had the Southminster line is down here, so yeah, there is a chance we will. We got to fit. What poses do we want to do for the camera? What poses do we want to do for the camera? Yeah, there's all the palms and stuff around here, isn't there? So yeah, coming on to the right off to that side, there's a little farm. Make sure there's space for it. Oh no, he's gone for the other bike. Yes. Help with the lead is the problem. Be fair, this isn't really a bike designed for leaning too aggressively, it's not more bike. Oh, okay. I don't know why I was panicking because I was doing 30 anyway, it was 30 down there, so.
Yeah, where?
Alright, we're almost there. Are you ready for food?
I am.
Are you hungry for food?
Domino's.
Almost. Almost. I can see the building.
Oh, that's it there, isn't it?
Yes. Where on earth am I going to park?
Oh shit.
Fuck me, it's busy already, Brian. Yeah. Right, go on, jump off. I'll sort out the parking. Yes, this is what I like to see. I don't know where we're going to sit though. We can sit on one of these benches, to be fair.
Good day, yeah.
Fucking hell! Look at the size of the rear tyre on that thing!
I know.
That's massive! I'm gonna get off and do this. Right, so we are here, and there's actually bikes, unlike last time we tried to film here. So obviously here's mine, and I'll show you what else is here. So we've got a H2, a very old Trans Alp, very cool. The fattest rear wheel I've ever seen on the motorcycle, aka a Harley-Davidson. Let's go to the front. There's a few bikes around here as well that I'll quickly show you. So we've got an Africa Twin, a Harley, I don't know the Harley models, another Harley, and a GS back there. And then we go. We'll start from the front and work our way through. And there's some bikes over to the right there as well. So you've got a nice S1000 RR up there. At the front, we've got a Triumph Rocket. Another nice big GS. A lovely Norton. Is that a ZX10 or a ZX6? I'm not really sure how you tell. Very old and classic Triumph. That is very nice. We go around here. There's a better look at that Norton. There's a better look at the BMW. Very nice Triumph. Lovely CBR. I'm gonna shoot that's 1,000. Yeah, that's 1,000. 1290 Adventure. Let's go around the front here. The dogs go past, but yeah, some bikes. Enjoy the boats. So I think that's a 1400. I don't know what that's called. Big Suzuki. Is it a Bandit? I don't know. Oh, it was saying this side there. GSX 1400. I was at least right about the engine size. Come around here. Lovely 1250 GS, you see the RS then. And then yeah, big Super Duke, no not Super Duke, Super Adventure or whatever it's called. And then that, oh it's a Suzuki, it's a Jigsaw. I just realised that. That is nice, isn't it? Love the see Suzuki's in red. Oh, go ahead. Oh, sorry, you're admiring as well. That is absolutely stunning. We know I love saying that word on this channel. I'll get on the shirt. Stunning. Quoted by the Southern Biker. Oh, cheers, fella. I've just had my tea handed to me. Right, I'll quickly go pop this with Lucy. Could you hold my tea, please? Oh, is there? Crap, go, run. Right, can confirm the table was acquired. So, Harley? Do I dare say that it's a small Harley? I mean, it seems smaller than the other ones that are here today. Thruxton RS. That's a Bandit, I think, next to it. Just mindful that I am in the road. Bandit. ZZR. And that is a Thundercat. And I only know that because I discovered these existed last night. I thought, oh, that could be an interesting bike because it's a sports tourer and kind of classic, I guess. Do you call that a classic? I don't know. It's funny actually, isn't it? Because you've got some like early 2000s and late 90s bikes, and then a modern bike that's meant to look classic, and then Harley.
Yeah, it's got this in the same blue and silver as they do the R1 and the R6. I imagine that would look quite nice like that. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that's here. If anything else turns up, I'll be sure to film it. But if not, I think it's time to go and wait for me food. And the food has finally arrived. She is munching. We had to recreate that clip, I'm sorry. But yes, the food here is very good, I must say. But yeah, obviously some of the bikes have now gone. We'll see if anything else turns up. But if not, we'll eat this. And then we'll go back past the Get a Pick guys again. Right, Lucy, quickly, your review of the breakfast wrap.
Fucking amazing, mate.
Out of 10.
Million.
Alright, I think that's pretty high praise. I can't remember this before, but he's not ready, so we're going to go alone. Lovely bikers, lovely, lovely. Got my thing up and I, yeah, cool. Right, well, let's see if we can find those Get a Pick guys. Well, we know where they are, we passed them on the way here, but let's see if they're still there. Oh.
I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
What were you doing? Because you were pushing my head down there.
I'm not telling you. Got to see the picture now.
Oh, I bet you were doing that behind my head. But
Yeah.
that's quite funny.
Give me a little bunny ears.
I'm proud of you. You took your hand off me while riding. I'm well impressed.
Yeah, mate. So, whee!
Oh, my GoPro dead already?
Huh?
Oh no, my GoPro's still on. Right, that's it. I've had enough playing nice now.